Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Loise and today I have a cook and clean with me video. So I will start by boiling the meat, and here I'm boiling the peas, and here I'm boiling the pumpkins. The reason why I added some salt in the green peas is so that to maintain the green color. So while waiting for all those things to boil and be ready, I'll clean some utensils that I had.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again. Been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
So to clean the sink, I'll start by spraying an oven cleaner on the sink, then let it settle for some minutes, then I will scrub using a steel wool. After that, I will rinse out the product, then I will clean it again using the bicarbonate of soda. After that, I will rinse it again, then use the sieve cleaning sink product. The reason why I'm putting all these products on my sink is because it was an old neglected sink and I'm trying to shine it again. If you have an idea of how I can shine it, kindly share it down below in the comment section. Then lastly, I will use the homemade drainage treatment to unclog anything that may block my sink. Then I will add hot water at the end. Now that the kitchen is clean and I have a clean space to work on, I'll go ahead and start making my pumpkin chapati. And don't worry guys, this recipe will be up soon.
morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must.
And the dough is ready and resting. Now I go ahead and start making the stew.
Never stop the way, yeah.
When the onion is golden brown, I will add in the boiled meat. Next I will add in the tomatoes and let them cook for some minutes. So next guys, I will start heating my oil. Remember I'm using cowboy and I have to melt it. And as the oil is heating, I'm also multitasking with the stew. And now I'm adding in the vegetables.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
This stew, I always make it so basic, but it always comes out right and sweet. And I don't use any spices, I use only the natural spices.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
And the dough is now ready and soft, so I go ahead and start making the chapatis.
Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand.
Checking on the stew, and I added the potatoes, then I'm going to add the beef broth.
Let's go back to when trees were swung.
Let me know down in the comment section if you want a detailed pumpkin chapati recipe, because I make the best chapatis, guys.
Across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
And I love the chapatis to be golden brown. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you prefer?
I'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Look at that, guys. Those chapatis are so beautiful and so soft. Kindly give me all your orders.
I'll never be alone. Savannah. Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.